Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Umar Abdul Aziz bin Muhammad Iswandi. I am from Group E27 and my lecturer's name is Prof. Rawzatul Fatiyah binti Muhammad Said. Today, I'm going to teach on how to create table, Vlookup function, data validation, and drop-down list. To begin, we will open Microsoft Excel. Here is the data that we are going to use. We're going to structure our data. Double-clicking on a cell allows us to input data directly. Start from cell A1 and type all the header from the data given. Moving on, in cell A2, input the date 01/08/2020. This is based on the data. Similarly, in cell A3, input the date 01/09/2020. Now, to fill in the dates for the subsequent periods, we will use a shortcut. Select cells A2 and A3 and drag the small square at the bottom right of the selected cells downward until you reach the date 01/07/2023. This will automatically fill in the dates for this range. Next, fill in the data based on the given dataset. Then, we are going to format our data as table. First, select all the data that we want to convert. Next, go to Home tab and select Format as Table. From there, you can choose a preferred table. Next, duplicate the unemployed column template to column E, and then rename cell E1 as unemployment rate. To ensure the table headers are clearly visible, let's adjust the column width. Select the headers from A1 to E1, and then go to Home tab, click on Format, and click Auto Fit Column Width. Now let's calculate the unemployment rate. Double-click on cell E2 and put equal sign. Then click on cell D2, type slash, and click on cell B2, and then press Enter. Since we're working on percentage, click on any cell in column E. Then press Ctrl spacebar to select the column. Go to Home tab, select percentage format, and increase the decimal places twice. Now, we are going to create a new table. Start from G1 to G5. Write down the headers based on the previous table. And don't forget to adjust the column width. Using Vlookup function, in cell H2, type in $Vlookup. For lookup value, click on cell H1 and type in comma. For table array, select the previous table, or you can use shortcut Ctrl spacebar Shift spacebar and Control spacebar again to include the header. And then comma. For the column index, starting from A as 1, B as 2, and so on. So for label force rate, the column index is 2. Range lookup, we choose false because we want the exact match. Repeat this process for cell H3, H4, and H5 using column 3, 4, and 5 respectively in the Vlookup function. Now, to check if our Vlookup function is functioning, write down one date that is within the scope of our table. For example, 01/08/2020. Now, to create a drop-down list for selecting specific dates, click on cell H1, Data tab, and select Data Validation. Then, in the setting, under Allow, choose List. In the source, select cells A2 to A37. This will create a drop-down list for easier date selection. So now we have done our table, Vlookup function, data validation, and drop-down list. We are going to make our table prettier. So select all the data there from G column and H column. Go to Home tab, Format as Table. And there you are. Very beautiful column. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.